In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable milestones in Zoho projects. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the milestones, what to do if you don't see them, and how to turn them on so they appear in your project workspace. Start on the Zoho projects homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your projects at a glance. From here, find the project you want to work with and click into it. If your organization displays projects in a list or grid with an extra guardrail, you may see an Access Project option. Go ahead and select Access Project to enter the project space. Once you're inside, look for the Phases view or the Milestone view. Depending on your account's language or how your organization labels modules, Zoho may refer to milestones as phases in certain areas and milestones in others. The key thing is that you should see a dedicated place where milestones or phases are organized. If you don't see a phases or milestones section in your project navigation or within the tasks area, that's your signal that the module isn't currently enabled and needs to be turned on. To enable it, head to Settings. In Zoho projects, the Settings icon is typically a gear near the top of the interface. Click that to open the setup area for your workspace. Inside the Settings panel, choose Customization. This section controls how your project modules appear and which ones are visible to your team. Next, go to Modules and Tabs. This is the area where you can show or hide different modules, such as tasks, timesheets, issues, and importantly for today, phases or milestones. You'll see a list of available modules with toggles to enable or disable them. Navigate to the entry labeled Phase. Again, the naming can vary slightly by locale or version, but you're looking for Phase, which corresponds to milestones in the project view. When you find Phase, toggle it on. Zoho will usually ask you to confirm that you want to activate this module. Click Activate to proceed. This change makes the Phases module available across your projects according to your setup. A quick note on permissions: you'll need the appropriate admin or project level rights to modify modules. If you don't see the customization option or the modules and tabs area, check with your Zoho projects administrator to grant access or complete this step for you. After activation, return to your project. If you were looking at a list of projects earlier, select Access Project again to re-enter your chosen project. Back in the project workspace, you should now see Phases available as a dedicated view or tab. Click on Phases and you'll be taken into the milestone area where your project's larger deliverables can be tracked. That's it. You've enabled milestones in Zoho projects by turning on the Phases module. From here, you can organize your project's high-level goals, align related task lists under each phase, and improve visibility for stakeholders. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind as you explore this view. Enabling phases doesn't alter your existing tasks. It simply exposes a structured way to group them. Also, how phases display can depend on your project template and layout settings. So if your organization uses multiple templates, you'll now have this module available wherever it's enabled. To recap the flow you followed, you entered your project, looked for the phases or milestone view, went into settings, opened customization, visited modules and tabs, turned on phase, confirmed with activate, returned to your project, and opened the phases view. With this in place, you're ready to manage milestones more efficiently and give your team a clear roadmap of what needs to be delivered and when.